Hi everybody, it's time for our fourth workshop and this time we're going to be getting Christmassy, a Victorian Christmas in fact. So we're going to get into our time machines. You can invent your time machine if you want to, and we're going to press the button to travel back through time to the Victorian times. Your first exercise that I want you to do to start helping you towards your Victorian story is to create a recipe for a Victorian Christmas. Now you might want to use food as part of that, but it doesn't only have to be food. I want you to choose 10 items. They could be decorations that they used in Victorian times. They used to put real candles on the tree. How crazy is that? You might want to include forms of entertainment, things that people used to wear, carols they used to sing. Think about how different classes of people would have spent their Christmas. For example, if you were a chimney sweep or a housemaid, you wouldn't have a Christmas the same as somebody who was a lord or a lady and had lots of money. So choose your 10 things from Victorian times once you get out of your travel machine and have a look around. That was hard to say, time travel machine. And write down a list of 10 things that could go into a Victorian story. Then share it with somebody, because then you'll have 20 things. Happy writing!